everyone. How's everyone doing? Good. Awesome. My name is Sabah, and I'm the co-founder of Parch, a digital collaboration platform for architects, engineers, and contractors. Our team consists of my co-founder, Ose, who's here. Ose has a background in technical and development experience. Yes. And I'm an architect myself. We also have some help from our friendly mascot, Parchy the pigeon. I've been in the architecture, engineering, and construction industry for over 12 years, and one thing has remained constant. Every project is a group project, irrespective of the size of the firm or the complexity of the project. If we rewind to a couple of decades ago, this is what the traditional building design process looked like. Reams of parchment paper with architects, engineers, and contractors all working on the same page. Whenever someone had a question, they would call their collaborator over and they would discuss, sketch, and problem solve using a piece of transparent parchment paper over their existing drawing. Modern software fails to capture the magic of this simple design ritual. When we fast forward to today, there is a diverse set of participants on any given project. This is what it looks like, and this is how information flows on any given project. As you can see, it's quite a tangled mess. Sometimes I can never tell head from tail. Architects, engineers, and contractors use a patchwork of tools to meet their needs. Data is fragmented across the project lifecycle. This data is disorganized, lacks context, slows down decision-making, and is hard to track. Parch emerged from a shared vision to bridge the gap between individual work and the invaluable collaborative spirit inherent in traditional design reviews. We do that by bringing in your context, which could be your files and your folders, your content, which are drawings and design assets where a lot of our work happens, and communications, which are mostly comments about small design changes. All of this happens on one single platform. Unlike the current tools that only partially connect your context, content, and communications. With Parch, we believe that you can have project clarity, increase trust and awareness and alignment amongst your stakeholders, and selfishly for me, it reduces my admin load as an architect. With features such as upload, view, and share files, markup and comment, tag and track feedback, and sort and search, getting to the finish line becomes faster, smoother, and more efficient. Before we set out to build this, I knew that I personally felt this friction and fragmentation on day-to-day projects, but I wanted to validate our hypotheses that others felt this too. So we directly spoke to over 40 architecture, engineering, and construction companies to understand what their current collaboration process looks like. We mapped out the user experience without Parch, and then we mapped out the ideal experience that we hope to deliver with Parch. As you can see, the experience with Parch is very tight compared to what currently exists. You must be wondering, why now? The pace of focused development has stagnated amongst the incumbents. I personally know the problems in this industry and I wanted to fix it. Our competition is neither user-friendly, nor do they offer a structured way to communicate design changes on a project. Parch was built for and with our users with a focused feature list for architects from small firms. While our total audience is everyone in the building design and construction industry, we wanted to start with architects and small firms because they felt the pain the most. These are architects who are designing buildings, managing projects, and running businesses. With Parch, we hope to help them with the latter too, so they can dedicate more time towards design, more time towards winning more projects, and making more money. When we zoom out, we see that there are 3 to 5 million professionals worldwide in this industry, creating a large market once we go upscale to enterprise. Our go-to-market strategy is two-pronged. We have a self-service funnel for our starter plan and our project plan, and a direct sales motion for our enterprise plan. Our starter plan is free with limited features so we can expose our product to as many people as possible. With collaboration at the heart of Parch, we believe that there are network effects within the project economy that we can tap into. brings me to my ask today. All right. Thank you. Can I wrap it up? All right. We're at the end. Thank you, though.
This is great. My background's in product, so I was like, oh, I'd love to work with these folks. So my first question is around the service outages piece. I'm trying to understand how that service outage problem correlates to the problem that you're solving. So what did you understand about the service outages that was preventing them from completing whatever job to be done you identified?
Yeah, so some of the incumbents, like Bluebeam in specific, have had service outages, so I haven't been able to coordinate on projects because their servers are down. To me, as a user, that signals that they aren't a reliable service and they aren't doing justice to their customers. I find that as a white space in the market that you should build for customer trust.
And can you explain how your product is specifically solving for that problem?